Greetings, I'm Itumele Mweleti and welcome to BIM Legal Advisory Services, your partner in growing your business. Before you click on I agree, pause. That software as a service agreement, that reseller agreement can be negotiated, even if the supplier tells you that this is a standard contract with no hidden costs. Make sure that you are aware of the data risks and their liabilities that come with that contract. Businesses, irrespective of size, relies on tech agreements and software as a service agreements as well as reseller agreements in order to survive, in order to set up their infrastructure. Here are certain clauses that you need to look out for. Auto renewals. That is when a contract automatically renews itself whether or not you have agreed to it after a certain period of time. It can be 6 months, it can be 12 months, it can even be 5 years. However, you will be locked into that contract if you do not submit the termination agreement in time or termination notice in time. Also look for pricing traps such as annual fee hikes that you may not be aware of, even minimum purchase commitments. That puts your business in an awkward position should you not receive the right type of clientele at a specific time, or even you have agreed to a certain amount, but the supplier then adds their own margin on a yearly basis that would take your profits from your end customer. So be aware of hidden price costs. Data ownership is also an important aspect to look for in a contract, because that supplier, that software as a service supplier, can own your client's data without your consent. So it is important to know where does the data go, who owns it, and what can they do with it, and does the end customer agree or have they given consent to how it is used. Then lastly, a very important one is liability caps. So make sure that the liability is limited to how much you have actually paid the supplier 12 months preceding the actual event that resulted in the liability coming across. So in that instance, make sure that